In today's video, I am going to show you how you can make money on YouTube without making videos with $0 and make up to $15,000 per month with this niche. And you don't have to show your face or use any voice, and you don't need any camera equipment or anything or any experience to get started. The only thing you are gonna need is a smartphone or laptop with internet connection. And you're watching this, you have both. Anyone can do it because it's simple, easy, and no skill is required. So the niche is called. But before that, like this video and subscribe for more amazing niches and make money online strategies. So the niche is called spirituality, and the specific content you can re-upload is from the channel called Sadhguru. He is a yogi from India and you can research about him to know more about him. But in short, he provides spiritual content. Many channels are re-uploading his content like this one, and don't worry about copyright, because as you can see, if you go on his main channel Sadhguru, you can click on any video and scroll down in the description. You can see it's allowed for reuse, but make sure to add value in the content before reuse to enable monetization of channel. So you can add value by only using audio of the channel and adding copyright footage over it and text and some background videos and music to make video more appealing. But before I tell you how to do it all step by step, you can see the channel doing the same and is making over $12,000 per month. And here's an example of another channel. It's also doing the same strategy and it's making $13,000 per month. And now you must be wondering how to get started. For that, I am here. First, go on Google and search for Sadhguru website. You can see the link here. You will find the website, click on it, and it will take you on this page. Then click on the three lines in the top right corner. Then click on the wisdom and you will able to download it here. But if the video is not available yet, simply use any third-party software or any website to download it directly from YouTube. Then convert it into MP3 for usage. Then you are going to need free stock footage, for which you can go easily on website like pixel.com to get whatever you need. For example, you can search the term nature and you will get amazing results. You can download it for free like this. And now for the software to edit your videos for free, you can use software like InShot, which is completely free and has all the best tools to edit your videos. And you can use also Canva, which is a helpful website and also app to edit your videos. To use it, you have to click on the video format and you just need to edit your videos in the website. You can use free stock footage, then place text on it like this. And you can also add animation to it like this. Then you can see here, you can also upload your own photos, video or music here. You have to just upload the audio here and you can edit your whole video on Canva for free and easily. But if you're facing any problems with Canva, you can just simply download free stock footage from Pixel, add that audio from Sadhguru channel, add some text, add some dramatic music, and you're good to go. Just do this for like 30 days and upload 30 videos per month. And I recommend you, from my experience, to upload minimum of 30 videos to 40 videos in the span of 30 to 40 days to see growth of your channel. If you upload 10 videos, you're not gonna see any growth on the channel and you will be just demotivated and you're gonna quit. But before that, if you want to start any YouTube automation channel, edit your own videos, but make sure to upload a video per day for at least minimum of 45 days and will definitely show you some result. And if you like our video, give us a like and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching and take care. Have fun making lots of money through YouTube.